Mr. Maloney, I'm Shalahrak. Present tense verbs. Something that happens every day. For example, I go to school every day. I brush my teeth every day. Talking about yourself, you don't use may. You just say Conam, I sing, Bulam, I hit. If the answer is no, we use ni, and you put in a H in your verb. When asking the question, we use an aru. The aru depends on what the verb starts with. We also use on when asking a question. Practice this order each night. Bulam, Bulan tu, Bulan she, Bulan she, Bulamid or Bulan wid, Bulan shiv, Bulan sheed. If the last vowel in your verb ends in an I, you put in EANN. For we, if it ends in an I, you put in IMID. But if the last vowel ends in A or U, you put in ANN, and for we, AIMID. But the sound will remain the same. It will be Bulan she, Bulamid. If putting in ANN, Conan tu, Conamid. The sound is the same. Play 6 of these at a time and then repeat to get the pronunciation correct, and you must get up out of your seats and do the actions. Brishin, Ruin, Cohan, Conan, HD into Le, Dorton. Bulan, Bulan to Le, Kylan, Cossin, Furin, Doonan, Fogan. Fonan, Faken to Dlean to Quidden to, Lean to, Pjucken to. In Sheehan to, Do, Clonan to, Lannan, Lehman, Pleskin, Krabben. Written, Scriven, Schulen, Frischen, Stroken, Titten. Chassen, Shaden, Seeing, Stoppen, Togen, Lassen, Muken. Remember, these are present tense, something you do every day. Lassen Nasail Shagak Law, I'll turn on the lights every day. You must get up out of your seats and do the actions. Practice your pronunciations each evening. You'll have a test on that on Friday. And don't forget to learn the order of these. Best of luck with them.